Welcome to my YouTube channel SmartLearn. Today we will discuss about the atmosphere, its composition and layers. As we know, atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds our earth. It is held onto the surface of the planet by the gravitational force. And it is atmosphere that prevents us from the harmful radiations of the sun and keeps the climate moderate. It also helps in preventing the sun's rays to reflect back into the space. Now let us find out the composition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas which is found in the atmosphere, and it constitutes almost 78% in the volume. And the second important gas which is found in the atmosphere is oxygen, and it constitutes almost 21% in volume. The rest 1% consists of gases like carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, argon, neon, ozone, krypton, etc. Apart from that, water vapor and dust particle are also present in the atmosphere. So this is the composition of the atmosphere. Now let us find out the different layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into 5 important layers according to the difference in temperature and density. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Let us discuss one by one. Troposphere. This is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. It extends from the surface of the earth to a height of about 20 kilometers. And this is the most important layer in the atmosphere as it contains almost all the gases. And all the weather phenomena usually occur in this layer. Clouds, water vapor and dust particles can also be seen in this layer, and this layer is suitable for the flying of hot air balloons. As we go through this layer, the temperature decreases. For every 167 meters of height, the temperature will decrease by 1 degree Celsius, and this is called as the normal lapse rate. And the boundary between the troposphere and the next layer is called as the tropopause. Moving on to the next layer, the second layer, stratosphere. And it extends from 20 kilometers to a height of about 50 kilometers. A special gas called as ozone is present here in this layer. It absorbs almost all the ultraviolet radiations and harmful radiations of the sun. And this layer is free from the clouds and the weather phenomena, and usually it's ideal for the flying of aircraft. As we go through this layer, the temperature increases gradually. The boundary between this stratosphere and the next layer is called as stratopause. The next layer, that is a third layer, that is mesosphere. It extends from a height of 50 kilometers to a height of about 80 kilometers. And meteors, as they enter this layer, it burns up and falls back to the earth. This is the coldest layer in the atmosphere, and the temperature can reach minus 100 degrees Celsius. The boundary between this mesosphere and the next layer is called as mesopause. The next layer, that is a fourth layer, that is thermosphere. It extends from 80 kilometers to a height of about 600 kilometers. Here we can find the electrically charged particles called as ions, and hence it is also called as ionosphere. The radio waves which are sent from the earth are reflected back from this layer and hence the radio communication is possible. Northern lights, aurora, etc. are also happening in this layer. As we go through this layer, the temperature increases gradually. The boundary between this thermosphere and the next layer is called as thermopause. Moving on to the next layer, that is the fifth layer, that is exosphere. It extends from a height of 600 kilometers to a height of about 1000 to 2000 kilometers. This is the outer layer of the atmosphere, and it lies in the boundary with the space. Not much gas is present here, and the satellites orbit around the earth are found here in this layer. So these are the different layers. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. We will meet again with another video. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you.